Hello, party people. Hello. It's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here today to talk to you about my very first Beebeecraft cooperation program haul or unboxing or whatever you want to call it. So many of you know that I started my YouTube channel originally so that I could be part of the Beebeecraft cooperation program. That's the whole reason that I started my channel to begin with. I reached my goal of getting 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I was able to place my first order. I should say, I put in my application. I was accepted to the Beebeecraft cooperation program, and I put in my first order. So these are the items. I have 5 items to discuss. I did not purchase these items. These items were sent to me strictly to review. I also wanted to throw in here that if you were interested in becoming part of the Beebeecraft cooperation program, I will leave that information linked in the description box. It's pretty straightforward and it's pretty easy from what I've seen up until this point. So, like I said, we'll jump right into it. I have 5 items. They are spectacular. Let's get down there. There we go. Okay, so these are from ARRICRAFT. So Beebeecraft has a number of different, I don't know, companies, I guess, or brands I'll say brands on their site that you can choose from. ARRICRAFT is one of them. These right here are ARRICRAFT 16 by 7 millimeter printed wood beads. They're calling them wooden loose spacer beads for jewelry making or for any crafts, really. And currently, right now on the website, these are on sale for $2.36 for this bag. So let's just jump into it. It says that they're about 16 millimeters long, 17 millimeters thick, and the hole is 17 millimeters, which is one of the reasons I wanted to take a look at them, because of their large hole. I really like the design. I thought that you could use these in a lot of things, but for the most part, what I was going to try to do is I'm going to maybe work on some macrame with some larger cording, and I thought these would be cute. I was kind of looking at maybe making one of those planter holders, and these just looked like a really fun idea. I love that they're all different, that you get quite a variety of designs, and they're pretty cool. So they are pretty big. They do have different sizes available. It says here that they go down to, so these are a 16 by 7 millimeter. They go down to a 12 by 8 millimeter, a little smaller. But for the project that I had in mind, these are going to work pretty good, I think. So that is our first item. I'll get the second item pulled out here. This is the second item that I have for us to check out. These are PandaHall Elite toggle clasps. So they come in this nice box. Everything was well packaged, so that's always nice because you don't want it to get broken. These are PandaHall Elite Platinum Flat Round Tibetan style toggle clasps. They are nickel-free, lead-free, and are made for jewelry making, and there's about 40 sets here. So these are just pretty, you know, toggle clasps. You could utilize these for a lot of jewelry. I did get, on purpose, I got some more plain ones because I'm looking to use these to make some unisex jewelry, or at least give it a whirl. And I didn't necessarily want, I don't know, I just wanted more of a simple design because I didn't want it to have design or anything on it. So I did choose these simple ones. These are currently on sale on the website for $4.24 for this pack. It does come in this reusable box, which is one of the reasons I really like to get the PandaHall Elites brand, because these boxes are really nice to reuse. You could even use them as a gift box. I use them to put all of my crafting stuff in, and they're really handy to have. So let's check out the specs here. These are toggles, 15 millimeters in diameter, 2 millimeters thick. The hole is 2 millimeters. The bar is 21 millimeters. And there's about 40 sets in the box. So you can also use these toggle clasps in your design, as we've seen many people who use them not just for toggle clasps, but may use, you know, for earrings or, you know, different design types. So I was excited that I was going to get so many, because I can use these for different, you know, stuff rather than just toggle clasps. So that's exciting. And just put them in here. And they're all packed up. Is that cool? I really like these boxes. So those are the toggles. Next, I got this leather cord. So this is from PandaHall Elite. It is 1.5 millimeter black cowhide round leather for bracelets and for beading. It is currently on sale for $7.01. And like I said, it's a 10 millimeter roll, which is a pretty good amount. And I make a lot of leather jewelry, or I use a lot of this type of cording. I wanted to see how it's going to hold up versus, say, like a leather cord USA or something to that effect. So I was interested to give this a shot. It's just black cording, but it is the leather. So I shall give that a try, and maybe in my next video I will talk about some of the comparisons that I encountered while utilizing these products, and maybe we'll talk about that in the next one. Now we're getting into a little more fun here. I saw these and I was super excited to give those a whirl, especially since I had just told you guys that I do make a lot of leather bracelets and things like that. So, are these not great? I'm so excited. Okay, what's the specs on these? Let's get down there so you guys can see them all. A lot of different colors. Now they do say that, you know, in any order, colors are going to vary. It looks like I got quite a few of the blue, a little less of the red. Only got one purple one, ooh, and one gray one. That doesn't necessarily mean that if you order this batch that you're going to get the same, but I really like these. I'm quite happy with it, actually. Okay, these are ARRICRAFT 20 pieces polymer clay tube beads with Pave rhinestone spacers. It says they have a double brass core. They are 47 by 9 millimeters, and they intended these for bracelets and necklaces. These are currently on sale on the website for $12.23. As I said, I will leave links in the description box. Just kind of reading over here, yeah, just says that they're round rhinestone beads and are suitable for necklaces, for jewelry making, for other crafts. They make great gifts, that type of stuff. So I am super excited about this because I have some larger leather and I have some plans for these. I am going to try them out both on bracelets and necklaces, but they're so sparkly. Oh, and that price, really, for as many as you get, you got, what did we say, 20. 20 pieces and $12.23. Pretty good. I think these will be a big hit around Christmas time as well. But check it out. Isn't that going to be cool? I'm super excited. Okay. So then I have one more item to show you. Pack these babies up. Alright. Here's the last item. So from N Beads, nice beads for you. I assume N Bead stands for nice beads. This little box is so cute. It's got like this little pull tab. Oh, okay. So this is the cutest thing. So it comes in this little box and then it's in a jar. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm big on packaging. Yes. All right, let's open this baby up. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So I know you're like, Randee, this is a finding. What are you doing? Why is it so exciting? Is because these are the leather end crimp tubes. I better look and make sure that's what they call them. They are calling them, so this is N Beads 500 piece silver color alloy cord ends, crimp fasteners for leather cords and the end of necklaces and other jewelry. They are currently on sale, this little bucket, for $7.43 on the website. And can you beat that? I don't even know that that can be beaten. That is amazing for over 500 pieces. They are 10 millimeters long, 4 millimeters wide. The diameter is a 2 millimeter hole. So that says to me that this is what you would be using with your 2 millimeter leather, cord ends, your 1.5 probably leather cord ends. I'm sorry, leather ends. Here, I have some. This was like kind of the plan. Okay, so I have my cord. Let me zoom you out. So I have my cord, which is 1.5, they said. You put it in there, give it a crimp in the middle, and you're on your way. I'm super excited. And look at how many you get. It's amazing. Over 500. Now, I did pick these items out with the intention of kind of, it's, you know, I got the leather cord ends, because I am going to come back with a video of some items that I have made with these particular Beebeecraft items. So, I was super excited about that. That was the first thing I put in my cart. This was the second thing I put in my cart. And then I was like, okay, well, I'm going to make some bracelets. Obviously, I'm going to need some ends. So I got some ends. And then these were kind of like the fun focal idea. And these guys, I was just like, okay, these are too great to pass up. So that is what I got going on in my unboxing for my first ever Beebeecraft cooperation program order. And I'm super excited about it, you guys. So like I said, I will leave in the description box all of the links to these items, and also I will leave in the description box a place for if you want to yourself become a Beebeecraft cooperation person for YouTube, because they are looking for crafters, is my understanding. They're looking for people to do reviews, to show how they're utilizing the items, to do jewelry and other craft tutorials and things like that. So it is super exciting. I am very grateful that I am, you know, got accepted into the program, and I'm excited to come back and show you guys what I've made with these items. So That's all I have for today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.